What's up guys? For today's video, it's just a really quick Vans unboxing. Well, not really an unboxing, more of a pickups video because I did go to the Vans store to get these. Now, as soon as I seen these Vans on Instagram, I knew I had to have these. I was kind of just waiting to see, because I wanted to see them in person though, before I went and pulled the trigger. I did not think these were going to be hyped at all. They ended up being like slightly hyped. Not like crazy hype, but when they went on Vans' website, they only lasted like a day, I think, because I seen them and I was like, all right, dope, they're on the website. But then the next day I was just gonna pull the trigger, and they ended up being out of stock. So luckily when I went to the Vans store, they had them, so I was able to pick them up. Now these are just called the old school Vans, true white and black. I thought they'd have a name on there, but they don't. But like a spoiler alert, they are an old school. But before I get into it, I did pick up a pack of stickers too. I thought this was cool. They had two different packs, but this was my favorite of the two. So I ended up picking up this, and I did already open the second pack because I got a pack for my girlfriend as well. But what I thought was pretty cool, it has like a slip-on. It's just the Vans slip-on right there. I thought that was just so dope how they did this. I kind of wish they had like an old school one, an authentic one. That'd just be sick. And then the Vans logo right there, and then another Vans logo, and then another Vans logo. So pretty dope stickers. I think they were like $5. But then here is the shoe. I love this thing. Like I said, it's an old school. I call these the Vans just because it has the Vans logo right there, and I just love how they did this. I'm pretty sure they ripped this off of the guy that came, I don't know who it was, but I watched like this whole like documentary type thing, not really a documentary because it was like a couple minutes long, but this whole video about how this guy went to the Vans headquarters, whatever, got to make his own Vans, and he put the Vans sticker logo like inside the van, like all over print on the Vans, and those were so sick. I wish they would make those. So I think they ripped him off and kind of did this with a different Vans logo, but it looks really nice. I only got the old school version because they did come in a skate high version as well, and both those versions come in white and black, but I only got the white version. But I will also throw the black version up on the screen so you can see what that looks like. And just the standard Vans box. And yeah, there's really not anything to say about them. It's literally an exact copy and paste of just the white old school. So if you've seen that, that's exactly what these are. And they just say Vans. But the only difference is it has like this like leather toe box. And I honestly kind of wish they wouldn't have done that. Maybe that's why the price point was like $5 more than a regular pair of old schools. But I think the shoe just would have been great if they didn't do that. And I kind of just realized too, where the laces go is also leather. But like I said, I kind of think the shoe would have been overall better if they just didn't do that. But not too big of a deal. And all my Vans are 10. I've never not worn a 10 in Vans unless it was for a skate high. But with these, they kind of fit a little big. I honestly probably could have got a 9.5, but I just went with a 10, and then when I tightened up the laces, they fit me like a little bit better. So I thought that was kind of odd how all Vans sizing I feel like is the same, but that is not the case for these pairs. So be on the looks for that if you're ordering these online. Before I end this video, I just wanted to say one thing because I know a lot of people are probably gonna ask in the comments. So I just wanted to clear this up. No, I did not get either of the new Fogg Vans that just came out. Now I was first in line at the release on Thursday night. I was first in line, but as of just the fact that PacSun is just really stupid, and so are the police that were there, I ended up being probably like in the hundreds of lines. No joke, I wish I was joking about that. And we ended up just calling it a night. I didn't even bother waiting because it was just complete BS. Very, very unorganized. I just was baffled that I was first in line and that they kicked like everyone out, and then I just like lost my place after I just gave 12 hours of my life to that line because I wanted that shoe so bad. And we were probably there for a little over 15 hours in total, and it was like complete BS. I just can't believe that like mall security and the police will literally just watch people cut people. They much rather, the way they were saying it, and I'm not even trying to be rude about this, they were making it seem like they would rather all of us just like beat each other up rather than just sit in line, because we were just really nice single file in line, everything was cool, and they were like, you guys need to get out of line, and then when it gets time, you guys can just all run to the door. So I was like, you realize that all these people are just going to beat each other up. Like for the spot in line, people are going to get trampled, and people are going to get like severely hurt over these shoes if you don't let us just stay in line. And they were like, it doesn't matter, no one can be here. So basically it was a complete rampage. It was insane. They're stupid. The police were dumb that day. Mall security was even more dumb that day. And honestly, I didn't even want the Vans at that point anymore. Just the fact that PacSun was letting all this slide too, because the employees knew. And I literally wasted, like I said, 12 to 15 hours in line / walking around. So that's just my rant. I just wanted to let you guys know about that. Honestly, I don't even want the shoe at all. Like I said, I don't even care about the shoe anymore. Just the fact that like all that BS went down. And you could tell like people, like I am a reseller, but you could tell that like everyone there was a reseller. No one was there. I actually wanted the Vans, but no one was there like for the culture of it. There was people like pulling up that obviously probably didn't know anything about Vans. They were just like, wow, this shoe's gonna be worth a lot of money. And if you ever noticed, the people that don't care about it are the ones that get it. Like if you go there as a diehard fan wanting the shoe, you are not going to get it. If you go there and you have nothing, you have no idea why you're in line, you have no idea what the shoe is, and you're just trying to make a quick dollar, like you'll get the shoe. That's always how it goes. But anyways, my camera battery keeps dying, so I need to wrap this up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you got the Fogg Vans. Let me know if you like these Vans. Let me know if you got any other Vans. Again, thanks for watching.